Hey everybody, welcome back to Green Spud Trades. In today's episode, I want to talk about this trader Stewie tweet that I saw on Twitter today where he talks about the chart of a company YPF. And this tweet was interesting to me because a few weeks ago I noticed multiple Argentina-based stocks breaking out and reaching 52-week highs. So I wanted to talk about that a little bit. So YPF is an oil exploration company that's based in Argentina. And let's go ahead and take a look at that chart. As you can see here, here's the 5-year. We'll zoom in a little bit. What Trader Stewie I think is pointing out is that this looks kind of like a bull flag breakout right here where you have kind of an ascending triangle. And this thing came off of a really long running base where it was kind of range bound here around the $7 mark for a long time, a little bit below, between like 5.6 and 7. It was kind of stuck under that. And then just last quarter of 2022, it seems to have started to break out from that range, and it's slowly crept up. We have a little bit of a pickup in volume there. We have a little bit of a pickup in volume there as it approaches the breakout, and then now it seems to be on a run. But what I found interesting about this is that there are other Argentina-based stocks as well that seem to be breaking out. Here we have BMA, which is an Argentina-based bank. We'll take a look at that chart. As you can see, similar story here to YPF, where it's been range-bound for a long time, and then it recently started approaching new 52-week highs. And let's see here, somewhere around here, the chart's a little bit sloppy, breaks out, and now it seems to be like it could be like a bull flag type of situation. GGAL, also a financial services company, a similar looking chart. We have a long base here, and then it kind of breaks out, and then it has this bull flag looking thing right there. IRS seems to be a diversified industrial company here. I don't know much about it other than what's in this description. But if you look at that chart, you'll see much the same story. Long range, and then the breakout. Now, if you're interested in Argentina as a country and you want to capture the stock market in general of Argentina, a good way to probably do that would be through the ARGT ETF. And here it is on my screen. It's meant to target Argentina-based companies through ADRs. And here are some of the major holdings. Mercado Libre is one of the major holdings, which is a tech company. It deals in e-commerce. I guess you could say it's something like an Amazon.com sort of thing, but very South America based. This one has been quite a popular stock because I actually see that ticker symbol come up a lot in people's watch lists lately. And here's the chart. I would imagine that one of the reasons that it grew to such a large part of that ETF's holding is probably because this one has been quite a performer. Like if you look here from the 2020 performance, it's shooting up here, and it's quite an expensive stock too. It's in the thousands of dollars. And let's take a look at the ETF. And as you can see, this one is tracking a lot of the Argentina stocks as well, in that it has that breakout to a new high, and it's kind of coming back a little bit for consolidation. My general thinking is that you could have purely technical breakouts, but for something like this that's a little bit broader, I usually like to know what the general catalyst or investment theme is that's going to be driving money into those stocks. Is it because the company is growing a lot and there's going to be big earnings growth? Is it because of some type of a sector rotation that's sort of industry-wide? What's going on here? So I put a little bit of thinking into what some of the catalysts could be for this move up in the Argentina stocks. Here on Reddit, there's a post about this breakout, and some of the comments on this post are very interesting. Argentina has really high inflation. So one of the ideas is that people within Argentina are investing in their stocks to hold assets and therefore avoid the currency inflation or the currency devaluation, which causes inflation. But that's been going on for a while, so I don't think that's exactly what's driving this right now, this year in 2023. Another thing going on is that in October there's going to be a big election, and there's a chance that there could be a change of leadership there that might bring more beneficial economic policies that will benefit these companies. Here's a Wikipedia article on the election coming up. And finally, another big catalyst that might be driving this run-up in Argentina stocks is that Argentina and Brazil have some rumors and speculation that they might move to a shared currency system, which could be economically beneficial for those economies. I think the Patrick Boyle channel does a good breakdown of this potential currency deal and the likelihood of it happening. Anyway, this is something that just kind of caught my attention when I was looking at stocks, and I wanted to do a quick video on it. It's an interesting thing to watch. It's not something that I am personally trading right now, but I wanted to make a video on it. So if you like this and you want me to continue making finance videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. See you next time.